Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 29. And today's baby step, it's all about making time for what you enjoy. I really appreciate and love the FlyLady system because I feel like her whole premise is you spend time incrementally on the things you need to do working around the house so that you have more time to do the things that you love to do, the things that are fun for you, the things that really light you up. So part of today's baby step is going to be to go to FlyLady's website and look at the Pamper Mission for the week. And this could be a variety of different things. I feel like the one more recently is making time to kind of like light a candle and listen to music that you enjoy and just relax. But that may not be the thing that relaxes you. And so what I'm going to do and what FlyLady is asking us to do in this baby step is to really think about what it is that we enjoy. Do you even know that for yourself anymore? Do you know what you love to do, what you love to spend time doing? For me, that is making things, that is baking, that is sewing. Those things are really fun for me. And I honestly don't make the time to do them as much as I want to. So FlyLady wants us to prioritize those things and really reward ourselves with those things for all the hard work that we do. Because if we keep working and not playing, and I really mean intentional things. I don't want you to mindlessly watch YouTube videos, or maybe that's just me, or mindlessly do something just because it's there, like watching TV. But really think about the things that you enjoy, write them down, and we're going to put them in our control journal, and we're going to spend time intentionally enjoying the things that we love to do. So comment below with what the thing is that you enjoy or something that you thought of, and subscribe to this channel to keep up with the last leg of the baby steps. You guys, I'm so proud of you. This is the last week. We have 3 days left, and we've been building these habits. Everything that you're doing has gotten you to this point. You don't have to be doing it perfectly, but you're doing it better than you were before, and that is what's important. I have a calendar below with the remaining baby steps that you can print out and follow along. And follow me over on Instagram if you haven't already, and I'll see you in tomorrow's baby step. Bye.